Hello mga kaheroes! Let's try this new flavor of Korean noodle ramen. So, mas spicy ito mga kaheroes. So, ito yung pack na kanyang spicy powder, seasoning, and dried vegetables. So, papakuluin natin yan mamaya in a separate of water. First, meron din tayong egg at cheese na nilagay natin on top. Later, pandagdag toppings and spring onion and sesame seeds. Meron din tayong leek, sprout, and lettuce. So, first, kailangan natin palambutin yung ating or pakuluin yung ating Korean noodles. And after that, nang kumulo for 4 minutes, i-rinse natin yan in a cold water. Set aside natin. Lagyan na natin sa ating serving bowl. After that, magpakulong tayo ng another of water para sa pinakasup niya. So, lalagay natin lahat ng mga vegetable niya. So, ayan na mga kaheroes. Nilagay natin ating egg, cheese, spring onion, and ating sesame seeds. So, hope you like